Hello all, welcome to Shriya Cotton House. In this video we will be showing you few of the printed casual wear items. If you like to book any of the item, you can directly log into our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Also kindly note that we will be releasing new collections every day in our YouTube channel and also in our website by 11 am. So kindly do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get our latest notification. So now let's check on to the items one by one. This is the first item. It's a fully printed soft cotton top, the light pista green color. The full top has a floral print. So this is how the top looks. It's a light pista green color top, and you will be getting a patchwork on the yoke portion and also in the daman. So this is how the yoke looks. It's a light pista green color soft cotton top. So this set comes with the printed bottom, soft cotton bottom, beautifully printed soft cotton bottom this is, and a printed soft cotton dupatta. Very lengthy. So you'll be getting a dual shade, white and light pista green color. So this is how the set looks. Pure cotton top with the printed bottom and a soft cotton dupatta. This is the overall view of the set. So this is priced at $850 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 colors. This is the first color. So the next is kind of a beige color. This is how the yoke portion looks. It's a little darker beige. So in this we will be getting everything in a pastel shade. Beautiful prints you will be getting on the top. This is how the yoke portion and daman looks. And this comes with the printed bottom. This is the bottom. And this is the dupatta, soft cotton dupatta, very lengthy soft cotton dupatta, priced only for $850. So this is how the dupatta looks, a dual shaded printed dupatta, soft cotton dupatta. This is the overall view. So you can also take a screenshot and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So the next is pink color. It's a light pink. This is how the top looks, a fully printed top. You will be getting a print on the back side also. This is the back side. And this comes with a printed bottom. And a fully printed soft cotton dupatta. So this is priced only for $850. So these are all very comfortable casual wears in a very budget friendly price. This is how the set looks. So we have got one more color. It's a light blue. So this set comes in a pastel shades, not in a brighter shade, but the print looks very good. This is the overall view. It's a kind of a bluish grey, not a pure blue, it's a kind of a bluish grey. This is how the full top looks, and it comes with the printed bottom. This is the bottom and a printed soft cotton dupatta. So all the items which I am showing today are all priced at $850. Only one set is priced at $900. So this is the overall view of the set. Let's move on to the next design. So this is the next design. It's a rayon top, fully printed rayon top. You will be getting a work on the yoke portion. So it's a dark maroon color, fully printed rayon top. So you can stitch this item without lining itself. It will not be transparent. See, it will not be transparent at all. So this is how the full top looks. Dark maroon color, fully printed rayon top, and it comes with the same color, pure cotton bottom, and a tie and dye chiffon dupatta. Beautiful dupatta, and also a very lengthy dupatta. You will be getting a satin borders on all the four sides. So this is the overall view of the set. So this is priced at 850 with free shipping. So in this we have got all darker shades. We have got 4 colors in this. The next one is dark honey color. This is how the top looks. A fully printed rayon top. This comes with the same color, pure cotton bottom. This is the bottom, and this is the dupatta, a very lengthy chiffon dupatta. Such a lengthy dupatta this is. This is the overall view. So this is priced at 850 with free shipping. So the next one is dark bottle green. So you'll be getting a print on the back side also. You'll be getting a print on both the sides. So this is how the top looks. A fully printed dark bottle green color rayon top. It comes with the dark bottle green color pure cotton bottom. And this is the dupatta. This is the dupatta. A fully printed chiffon dupatta. So price only for 850. You can stitch this item without lining itself. So it's a very budget friendly price. So we have got one more color. It's a dark navy blue. This is how the top looks. A fully printed dark navy blue colored rayon top, and this is the bottom, navy blue color bottom. This is, and this is the dupatta. So it's a very pretty dupatta. Looks very good when you stitch and wear it. So this is how the overall view looks. So this is priced at 850 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next design. Next design is a cotton item. So this is the first color you will be getting. It's a dark navy blue color, pure cotton top. You will be getting a work on the yoke portion, mirror work, and also some bead work. So this is also a very worth a buy for 850. It's a fully printed soft cotton top. So this is how the top look. You will be getting a patch work on the yoke portion and a work on the daman, and also work in the yoke portion, and it comes with the same color, fully printed soft cotton bottom. This is the bottom. This comes with the plain soft cotton dupatta. This is also a very pretty item. Both the top and bottom is printed. The dupatta is plain navy blue colored soft cotton dupatta with the borders on all the 4 sides. This is how the overall view looks. So this is priced at 850 with free shipping. It's looking like a black, but it's a navy blue color. So in this also we have got all darker shades. The next one is dark brown color. So this is the work you will be getting in the yoke, a simple and a neat work. So this is priced only for 850. So this is how the top looks, a fully printed dark brown color soft cotton top. This is the daman. This comes with the same color, fully printed soft cotton bottom, and the same color plain soft cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. So the color is dark brown color. This is the overall view looks. And the next one is dark bottle green. This is how the top looks, a fully printed top and a fully printed bottom and a plain soft cotton dupatta. Priced only for 850 with free shipping. We deliver all over India with the free of cost. So this is the last color. It's a dark maroon color. This is how the top looks, and it comes with a printed, fully printed bottom, soft cotton bottom and a soft cotton dupatta, plain soft cotton dupatta, priced only for 850. So this is just 850, so don't miss it. Very very comfortable casual item this is. Many of you are asking for a budget friendly items. So this is the overall view looks. So let's move on to the next design. So all the items which I have shown you till now is it priced at 850, and this item is priced at 900. It's a rayon top, a fully printed rayon top. It's a navy blue color. It's a fully floral printed. So this is how the top looks. You will be getting a full print and also print in the back side, and you will be getting a embroidered work on the yoke portion, daman, and this comes with the same color plain cotton bottom and an embroidered soft cotton dupatta. So you'll be getting a same color embroidery. It's looking like a black, but it's a navy blue color, dark navy blue color, and also you'll be getting a crochet borders on all the four sides. So for this item also a lining is not required. Very lengthy soft cotton dupatta. This is how the set looks. It's a printed digital printed rayon top, and this comes with the plain cotton bottom and a embroidered soft cotton dupatta, priced at 900 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 colors. So the next one is dark pale green color. This is. So this item also looks very good when you stitch and wear it. So you'll be getting a complete digital print. This is how the daman looks, an embroidered daman. It comes with the plain soft cotton bottom and an embroidered soft cotton dupatta, priced only for 900 with free shipping. So you'll be getting a same color embroidery all over the dupatta. It's a very lengthy soft cotton dupatta. So this is the overall view. So if you want to see the pictures, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com. So the next is maroon color. So this is how the top looks, a dark maroon colored rayon top, fully printed rayon top, and this comes with the same color soft cotton bottom, plain bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this set is priced at 900 with free shipping. So this is how the set looks. We have got one more color in this. So that's a brown color. This is how the top looks, a fully printed top. You will be getting a print on the back side also, but you won't be getting any Swarovski stones on the back side. Only in the front side you will be getting the stone work. And this comes with the plain cotton bottom and a fully embroidered soft cotton dupatta. You'll be getting a same color embroidery all over the dupatta. This is the overall view. So this item is priced at 900 with free shipping. All these items are available in the website. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections which I have shown you today. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.